Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over to XAUUSD.com. First, a big welcome to that video. So it's that time again. Uh, Nearly time for another trading week. And again, this is this week's free trading setup. Okay, so if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button now. And you can also head over to Facebook and join the private Facebook group. Okay, so you can stay up to date with all our latest videos and weekly trade alerts. Okay, so this week's free trade setup, free set and forget, is going to be on the USD Canadian dollar. Okay, so I'm just going to open up the chart here, and this pair, I'm going to explain the trade now that I'm looking to get in at. So I'm looking to actually sell this pair. And the reason being is you can see we broke out of this sorry, my mouse just not working. Okay, so there we go. We broke out of this period of distribution here, and the market popped down pretty hard into this area here that caused this high here. This was a huge gap up in March, and you can see the huge move up, nearly 1,200 pips. Okay, so we are getting the reaction at that. So I'm expecting maybe a strong reaction this week, maybe up towards this breakout area here of these lows. Okay, we also have a nice weekly area here. And if we zoom out to the monthly, okay, monthly is looking like this is going to come down to this area here. Okay, so down lower. And again, the market never goes straight up or straight down, it ebbs and flows. So we'll zoom in and I'm looking for a possible trade entry here, 138.3. So 138.3. I'm looking to sell this pair this week, and just going to zoom into the daily charts here. We'll have a look at the weekly first also. And we're just going to line up, see if any of the fibs line up. Okay. And you can see this nice sweet spot here where those highs got broken out of is the 61.8 golden fib. I like to take those kind of trades. So we could see a reaction of the market this week popping up into this area here and then a sell-off, which I will be looking to take if it happens. Okay, the market to pop up here. You can see right on that area also we have a daily zone. Okay, zone being we had the breakout and then a test of the breakout area and then a huge pop down here, and a new higher time frame selling area was created here. Okay, so because of recent volatility in the market, I'm not going to take at the start of the zone. I'm going to kind of take at the top of the zone, and I will monitor the trade. If it starts to slow down coming into the area, you know the kind of trade I take. If you watch my videos, it's a MACD divergence either in the 1 hour or the 4 hour chart and around this line, or simply the pending order trade. Okay, so pretty simple trade. We're going with this initial breakout, the market to come back up and then head back down into this huge monthly area down here. Okay, so I'm going to sell this trade. We're going to sell this asset, sorry. Sometimes I get my words mixed up, speaking too fast. So we're going to sell USD CAD, USD CAD at 138.3. Stop loss, just 110 pips. Okay, stop loss at 130.94, and take profit at last week's low around 133. Okay. Okay, that's it. And enter pending order on a Monday, or simply wait for 1 hour or 4 hour divergence signal. Okay, you can download the free divergence indicator in the description area of this video if you don't have it already. Very simple process. That's the kind of area we're looking to sell this week. You can pause the video, take down the trade. Remember, trade at your own risk. I'm just showing you what I will be doing this week. And yeah, so that's the trade. Very, very simple trade here. We're coming up to this area that got taken out as a 61.8 fib of this weekly move down. We've got to also have a nice new daily untested daily zone in around that area. Market comes up into it and then sells off back down towards the higher time frame target, which is in around here. Okay, that's what I think may happen with my analysts. As always, trading, you're never 100%, but there is a very high probability that this will be the direction the market will eventually go up to this area, move down into the higher time frame monthly trading zone. Okay, so it's a nice trading setup this week. If you watched last week's video, the Euro USD trade, okay, Euro USD last week, it was 8 pips off the actual entry I gave in the video, but if you look at the divergence signal, we actually got a divergence signal right up where we were looking to trade off the FOMC, and the market absolutely plummeted down from them. So if you're trading these manually and waiting for the MACD signals, they're very, very powerful. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section if you took the trade. Also this week, let me know how you do, and as always, have a great week. If you want to sign up to the proper signal service, this true set and forget professional Forex signal service, simply click the link below. And any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com, and I shall see you on the next video. Have a great week there, wherever you are in the world, and yeah, see you soon. Will over to fxace.com.